Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, a lot of my viewers have asked me questions that they don't have a very powerful machine. Uh, how do they, how can they set up Spark Cluster, Kafka, or the data science environment, and how can they learn it, without having powerful machine? One very free and very simple solution is use any cloud solution. There are a lot of cloud solutions. Amazon provides a free service. Uh, Azure provides some of the free services. Databricks provides free services, and Google Cloud also provides the free services. Uh, I liked Google's free service of Google Cloud because it gives you a credit of $300, and you can use that for 1 year, whichever exhausts first. So as part of this video, I will be showing you that how can you set up a cloud environment for you, uh, so that you can learn data science or data engineering, Kafka, Spark, Hadoop, and all that. Uh, uh, and how can you uh, uh, on your very small machine can learn all these things very easily. So it's very beautiful thing done by likes of Google, Amazon, and all that. I really appreciate them for this thing. For people who want to learn, they have kept the doors open. And of course, they are promoting their solutions with this, but yes, we are also benefited. That's the reality. So let us start with our this video. Okay, so you have to go to cloud.google.com, open it in your browser, and just log in with your Google ID. Uh, and then you will see a pop-up saying, pop-up or a button saying, try cloud platform for free. So just click on that, and this is a page where you will land onto. Here you need to just agree to the conditions and select your country. I'm staying in India, and I just agreed to the conditions given by Google. So then agree and continue. You will go to this page. On this page, you need to tell some information to Google. You need to tell account type you can select as individual. By default, it is business. So just click on it and you will see individual account type also. Then you don't need to fill tax information. You can just select unregistered individual and fill your name and address. It Google can automatically pick it up also, but it is better to fill it uh, on the form. It will give you suggestions through Google Maps actually. So then it will ask for your credit card information. So don't worry, when you're sharing your credit card or card information, Google only wants to know whether you're a robot or are you a human. Uh, just so that and, there is no fraud people opening the account. They don't charge anything without your consent. Even if your credit of $300 finishes, which Google is going to give you for free, Google is still going to ask you through uh, for a upgrade. You have to select that I want to upgrade my account to payment account rather than a free account, and then only Google will start charging you. So you don't have to worry about the money part here. You can fill in your card details. That is just for the verification. It can happen sometime that after giving the card details, Google says that your account is suspended. It happened to me actually. So in that situation, you have to give one personal ID proof, and that can be any of your driving license or PAN card or anything. And you have to give a photo of your card also. So you have to hide the card number and only show the last four digits of your card, and you don't have to show any personal detail of your card, so you can use your privacy measures on your card. So within 1 hour, I got an email from Google that my account is created, and they don't have any issue with the account. So it was very fast. Their customer care was very fast, I must say that. So once you do this, you will get a Google account. So, after this, we are going to see that how does our Google account look like. Okay, so when you have created your Google account, cloud account, then just hit on cloud.google.com in your browser and open the console. I just hit clicked on console button after logging into. Cool, it is loading up. So, first thing that you have to do with your GCP account, I'll refer to Google Cloud Platform as GCP, is that you have to create a project. So it will prompt you to create a project if you have not created any. So I have already created a project. So it is just loading up. So that's why it is slow. Okay. If you don't have created a project, you can create it by clicking here and saying new project. It will show you something like this. So you can just mention. So the project name is not editable. Project ID is non-editable. So just give a ID which you can remember and which you find easier to remember, easier to handle. So after creating a project ID, you can just create click and that will be done. So I have already created a project, so I'm not creating it again. Uh, cool. So I have two projects already. So I'll just select one of the projects. Now, this is my dashboard. So would love to actually uh, customize my dashboard. So I can just click here and I can select things which I don't need. And computer engine is something which I need because we are going to work on big data and that's the major thing that we'll need. And after just selecting, click on uh, you know done and you should be good. So let's select this. Okay, cool. So this was just for from your dashboard perspective. Now, so let us create a VM. So there are many ways to create a VM, but I find it easier to create it through Compute Engine. So just click on this thing, and you'll see Compute Engine here, and then go to VM instances. This will open this page. Click on Create. Okay, now give it any name. Let me give it name Ubuntu. So you can see the costing information on the right side. Keep a very close eye on this thing. I'll show you different reasons because of which this will keep on changing. Cool. So there are different zones that you will see uh, on on your screen. You can select multiple zones, and you can see that with every zone the cost is changing. Uh, so what I have seen is that for US East Zone, the prices are minimal. You can try something else also. East Zone, US Central. Let's keep it US East 1. Okay, within the zone, things are same. Cool. Now you can select different machines. You can select a micro machine with one shared CPU. You will get a 600 uh, GB, point 0.6, 600 MB kind of RAM with that, and you can select different machines. I prefer generally two CPU and 7.5 GB RAM for my work, but for this thing, let's select the minimal one, smallest one. So select the smallest one. You might have seen that cost has gone down drastically. So that's the major reason that I selected the smallest one. You can select any OS of your choice. I normally like to work on Ubuntu, but you can select any OS of your choice. So you can also select SSD and standard persistent disk, but I like to use standard disk because it's cheaper. SSD will make things faster for you. Okay, then select allow HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic. If you want to install Hadoop on your system and you want to access somebody, then these things will be useful. One more thing, so you should enable preemptability. So this will let Google take back the resources when you are not using it. So the cost of your instance will go down drastically. So for me, if I use it 730 hours per month, then in 1 month I will occur $2.96 of cost, which is pretty low. So I can just click on create and our VM will be created. It may take few seconds. Okay, Google is creating our VM. So in very few seconds, your VM will be created and you will see something like this on your screen. So you can log into that VM through browser. Just click on that SSH that I showed you and it will open a window like this. It may take few seconds to open and make a connection with the VM. Cool. I am able to log into my machine. So I can hit general Linux commands here. I can create directories. Okay, and I can do lots of stuff here. So so this is what I wanted to show you, that you know how you can create a VM for free on Google Cloud. In my next part of this video, I'm going to show you that how you can set up Spark on your on your Google Cloud uh, instance. So it's very easy, and then we will be learning Spark, Kafka, Spark streaming, and all those concepts. We'll also be doing a lot of data science stuff on this Google Cloud. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.